All right, Brett. So specifically, what are you going to be showing some of the attendees at your booth at the summit?
Yeah, look, we're going to be showing a better solution for monitoring edge and remote OT locations. As I said, it's a big and growing problem, and it's growing quickly. So at this event, we'll be showcasing our Sentry solution, and anyone who visits us can see a demonstration of that solution in action. It will be interactive. They can see how the combination of real-time video with motion sensor, temperature monitoring with thermal imaging, which is fun. We'll do some fun experiments with that. And humidity monitoring provides better visibility than actually being in those remote IT locations. So it would be a lot of fun. We're looking forward to chatting to everyone and being a part of the event.